Pectus Warriors, what's going on? It's Byrne from fixpectus.com. Today's video, we're going to talk about fixing your mindset, okay? So basically what spurred this video is I just got off a strategy call with a new client signing up called Jack. And basically at the end I was like, so are you going to sign up? Like, he explained to me his issue, he showed me his pectus, and dude, like, he was the perfect candidate for training with me, you know. He had the indented chest that's accentuated through his posture, not much muscle and a little bit of body fat, and the body fat's accentuating his pot belly, posture's accentuating his pectus, and just in general his body composition is accentuating his pectus. We can fix posture, we can fix his body composition, and we can build all those muscles to completely transform his pectus. And like, he's a young kid, he's just going to absolutely transform. And I was like, dude, like, this is exactly what you need. And then at the end he goes, yeah, I think I'll probably sign up, maybe probably in the next 2 weeks I'll do it. And I was like, dude, no, if that's the mentality you're having going into this, don't fucking sign up, because you're not going to get the results, because you're fucking in a probably, maybe, kind of. You're not in a yes, let's fucking do this 100%, I'm all in. And I was like, don't sign up unless you're going to do it right now. You're going to be 100%, you're going to be all in, you're going to give this your all. And that's the fucking truth. That's the mindset. You need to fix this to fix your pectus. If you want to change anything, this needs to change first, because you need to be the one that's disciplined, that's motivated, that gives it your all. So I told him, like, you can't be half-assing it, otherwise you get half-assed results. Go all in. If it's so important to you, which it should be, because it sucks. I know how much it sucks, and if it is so important to you to change this, to build confidence, to transform your life, to be able to take off your shirt, it should be so important to you, and I know it is, then you should put in everything you can. Why not? Don't be lazy. We need to change our mindsets. We need to be all in. We need to apply ourselves. Self-discipline. Self-discipline equals freedom. It really fucking does. I've learned that. I see in my friends, the ones that don't have any self-discipline, they don't do anything. They don't get results. You need to be disciplined. You need to give up immediate gratification, what you feel like right now, for what's going to get you what you want, okay? And they're the things you need to do. And when you start doing that, you start to feel good about yourself. You start to build confidence. That confidence then makes you feel better about your pectus. It's not like we're ever going to have a completely flat chest through training. So this needs to change anyway, because you need to change your perception of your body. You need to actually embrace who you are, build a muscular body. Even though it still will be slightly indented, you can still love your body. And that's what I'm trying to say when I'm saying fix pectus through exercise. It's being proud of your body, and that, by being proud, that's a subjective thing that needs to change up here. And to get there, your mindset needs to change to even apply the discipline to get the results. So if you guys are thinking about signing up, you need to be 100% in. If you don't, the reason you probably haven't seen results, I've been posting videos for 5 fucking years, and I bet you some of you guys have watched them since 5 years ago and you still haven't gotten the results, and you've been wanting to. The reason you haven't applied yourself. You start, you stop, you start, you stop. You don't commit, you don't sign up for a proper program, you just guess, you don't go all in. You need to go all in. Once you go all in, that's when shit changes. You need to change this, and then you can change this, okay? That's what freed me. Once I changed this, once I started listening to motivational tapes, I started changing my mindset, the way I perceive the world, actually getting a doers, winners mentality, getting after it. You need to get after it, guys. Peace, I'm out. Motivational speech done. I'm feeling so fucking hyped up. I'm gonna go work out. Catch you guys.